Good morning friends, welcome to Dinesh Miglani tutorials. In this session we are going to discuss about 200 very important idioms and phrases. For more videos you may log into my website www.dineshmiglani.com or my Facebook page Dinesh Miglani tutorials. My WhatsApp number 09215514435 for any query or my email ID legalbuddy@gmail.com. For regular updates of my videos, you may subscribe my YouTube channel Dinesh Miglani Tutorials. I expect from you to share my videos on your Facebook wall as well as with your friends so that they will also be benefited by this. Let us start with this session. The first one is the alpha and omega. It means beginning and end. The total. When we say that alpha and omega of this event, it means that from beginning to end, right? To mind one's P's and Q's, to be accurate and precise. Because when we say to mind one's P's and Q's, it means that we are very accurate on them. To rise from the ranks, to rise to a higher position, to cut one's coat according to one's cloth, to live within one's means. Means अपने पैरों जितनी चादर है उतनी पैर पसार के रहना, इसे हम कहते हैं ना. The earning source that we have to spend accordingly. That is to cut one's coat according to one's cloth. To grease a person's palm, that is to bribe. किसी को रिश्वत देना, to grease a person's palm. The next one is to keep the ball rolling. It means that to continue the work. When we say that to keep the ball rolling, it means that to continue the work, to fight tooth and nail, to make all efforts to win. Right? If you participate in any game, you have to fight tooth and nail. To make an ass of oneself, to act foolishly. To make neither head nor tail to anything. To be completely baffled, to be completely surprised. To make neither head nor tail to do anything. We may take it as to be completely surprised. Once in a blue moon. When we say once in a blue moon, that is said to be rarely. बहुत कम, right? Sometimes we say we go to hotel once in a blue moon. It means that rarely we go to any hotel, right? To take to one's heel to run away. To take to one's heel to run away. To keep the ball rolling, that we have done already. The next one is to pay lip service. To pretend to be loyal. When we say to pay lip service, to pretend to be loyal, in general you are not loyal. किसी को अपनी लॉयल्टी शो करना, ठीक है, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? To pay lip service to. To pay through the nose, to pay very dearly. To pay through the nose, to pay very dearly, right? To take the law into one's hand, to have a disregard for law and order. To take the law into one's hand, अपने हाथों में कानूनों को लेना. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? भी कानून लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को रिगार्ड नहीं देना, ठीक है. डू नॉट ओबे द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, तो दैट इज टू टेक द लॉ इन वंस हैंड. बिटवीन द डेविल एंड द डीप सी, टू बी इन ग्रेट डायलमा, राइट, बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में. बिटवीन द डेविल एंड द डीप सी. To meet one's Waterloo, to meet one's final defeat. When we say that the Waterloo is basically final defeat. Final defeat, after that there is no scope for fighting, right? So when we say to meet one's Waterloo, to meet one's final defeat. To be on the horns of a dilemma, to be in fix. When we say to be on the horns of a dilemma, इसका मतलब क्या है कि बिल्कुल फिक्स पोजीशन पे रहना. काफी जो बड़ी डायलेमा में जहां क्लियर ना हो कि आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, दैट इज टू बी इन फिक्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू लुक फॉर ए नीडल इन ए हेस्टैक, राइट. टू सीक व्हाट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड. टू लुक फॉर ए नीडल इन द हेस्टैक जनरल मतलब है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द नीडल का मतलब क्या होता है? सुई. और हेस्टैक होता है ढेर में, मतलब चारे के ढेर में, राइट, जिसको हम कहते हैं भूसे के ढेर में, राइट. तो सीक व्हाट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड. भूसे के ढेर में अगर सुई फेंक दी जाए तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि उस ऐसी इम्पॉसिबल चीज को ढूंढना. दैट इज सेड टू बी टू लुक फॉर ए नीडल इन ए हेस्टेक. टू सीक व्हाट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड. टू लेट द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग, टू रिवील ए सीक्रेट. व्हेन वी से दैट टू लेट कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग, दैट इज टू रिवील द सीक्रेट. व्हाटएवर द सीक्रेट इज दिस, टू टेल दैट. टू वॉश वंस डर्टी लिनन इन पब्लिक. To discuss dirty and scandalous matters of personal nature in the presence of outsiders. To wash one's dirty linen in public. To be ill at ease. To be on bad terms with somebody. To be in hornet's nest. To be in unpleasant situation. When we say when we say that to be in hornet's nest, that is to be in unpleasant situation. People of discord, cause of a dispute, जिसको हम कहते हैं झगड़े की जड़. Bell the cat do the most dangerous job, right? Because it's very difficult to bell the cat, that is the most dangerous job. Beat about the bush, evade the issue, इधर उधर की बातें करना, but main matter की बात नहीं करना, that is beat about the bush. Bag and baggage completely, come out of a band box, be excessively well dressed, because when we talk about the band box, जैसे बैंड बाजे वाले होते हैं ना, they are well dressed, excessively well dressed, तो we can call it as come out of the band box, be excessively well dressed, right? To know how many beans make 5, to be well informed and to be intelligent. To know how many beans make 5, it means that you are very intelligent and well informed about the things. Hit below the belt, fight unfairly, क्योंकि when we talk about the fighting between two persons, we know that बेल्ट एरिया के नीचे वाले एरिया में हिट नहीं करते, ठीक है. तो इफ समवन हिट बिलो द बेल्ट, इट मींस दैट फाइट अनफेयरली. टू किल 2 birds विद 1 stone, अचीव 2 aims विद ए सिंगल एफर्ट, ठीक है. एक तीर से 2 निशाने से हम कहते हैं ना, टू किल 1 bird विद 2 birds विद 1 stone. बर्थडे सूट, इट मींस नेक्ड, राइट. इन कोल्ड ब्लड, डेलिबरेटली और विदाउट हेड. व्हेन वी से इन कोल्ड ब्लड, इट मींस दैट इंटेंशनली, जनरली इंटेंशनली मीन्स जब आप बिल्कुल कोल्ड ब्लड में है, मतलब आपका कूल एंड काम बिल्कुल ठीक है, तो जो भी आप एक्शन कर रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल आपकी इंटेंशन के हिसाब से है, जो आपके डेलिबरेटली है, आपने जो सोचा है वैसे ही आपने करा है, ठीक है. हॉट ब्लड में हो सकता है कि हो सकता है उस टाइम पर बिकॉज ऑफ सम एक्साइटमेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रोवोकेशन, यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ द मैटर. बट व्हेन वी से इन कोल्ड ब्लड, cold blood means whatever you are doing with full intention. Sweep in the boat, to take everything. In the same boat, similarly situated or like in a same predicament. When we say in the same boat, it means that in the same situation. Next one is bolt from the blue, unexpected calamity. Bolt from the blue, ऐसी calamity आना जिसको कोई expectation नहीं थी. Bone of contention or apple of discord, same thing. Make no bones means make no objection, right? It does not suit my book, it means that it does not fit my arrangements. In good or bad books, when we say in good books means in favor, in bad books not in favor. Draw the long bow, exaggerate means that किसी चीज को बढ़ाना चढ़ा के बोलना या किसी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ा के शो करना, इसे हम कहते हैं एक्सेजरेट. तो ड्रा द लॉन्ग बो. 2 strings to bow, possessing a second way of attaining one subject, right? Means that 2 strings to bow. तो जनरली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट बो, तीर एंड कमान, तो जनरली एक स्ट्रिंग होती है. इफ यू हैव 2 strings, it means that you have a second way to attain the object. In the wrong box means out of one's proper place. In the wrong box, out of one proper place. Break new ground, venture into an untried field. Make a clean breast, confess. When we say make a clean breast, it means to confess. Wear the breeches, domination of husband by the wife. That's important here. Wear the breeches, domination of husband by the husband by the wife. ठीक है, तो husband पे wife का domination, that is wear the breeches. That is to bring down the house to receive rapturous applause. Bring down the house means that किसी के लिए काफी ज्यादा प्रशंसा होना, बहुत ज्यादा, ठीक है. तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, bring down the house. When I say his marvelous performance brought down the house. Next one is bear the brunt, endure the greater part of a stress or burden. Bear the brunt means बहुत ज्यादा जले हुए को सहना. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस को सहना. Bear the brunt. Take a bull by horns, attack danger boldly. Take a bull by horns because जो बुल है, बुल को हम डेंजर की तरह प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, तो किसी भी बुल को सींगों से पकड़ना. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि डेंजर को बड़ी हिम्मत से फेस करना, अटैक करना, दैट इज टू टेक ए बुल बाय हॉर्न्स. Burning the candle at both ends means to trying to do 2 opposite and exhausting things at the same time. When we say burning the candle at both ends, it means that वी आर ट्राइंग टू अचीव टू थिंग्स विद सो मच एफर्ट एट द सेम टाइम, क्योंकि जनरली वी नो दैट द कैंडल हैज टू बी बर्न फ्रॉम ए सिंगल साइड. टेक द केक, कैरी ऑफ द ओनर्स, राइट. Cake is generally represented as honor, right? So when we say take the cake means carry off the honors. Not worth the candle, not worth the expense involved. When we say not worth the candle, not worth the expense involved. To feather one's nest, to care for self-interest, to go against the grain, to work against one's killing, to one's liking, right? To go against the grain, to work against one's liking. A thorn in the flesh, cause of continual trouble. किसी के अंदर जैसे कहते हैं थॉर्न का मतलब कांटा होता है, जैसे चमड़ी में कांटा चुभना. तो बेसिकली क्या है कि इसे कॉन्टिन्यूअल ट्रबल, ठीक है, इसे कॉन्टिन्यूअल इरिटेशन, कॉन्टिन्यूअल ट्रबल. ए बर्ड्स आई व्यू, ए जनरल व्यू. टू कट नो आइस, टू हैव नो इफेक्ट. टू कम ऑफ विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स, टू अचीव अ डिस्टिंक्शन. जनरली आफ्टर पासिंग 12th class, if a student has got very good marks, we call him at to come off with flying colors, right? To cut no ice, that is to have no effect. Next one is a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. One certainty is worth more than two prospective advantage. ठीक है, जनरली इसको हम कहते हैं जो चीज हाथ में है वो ज्यादा अच्छी है बजाय जो चीज हमें फ्यूचर में मिल सकती है, राइट? इसका मतलब क्या है? ए बर्ड इन हैंड इज वर्थ टू इन द बुश. ठीक है, तो ऐसी कोई भी सर्टेनिटी जो आपके हाथ में है वो ऐसी अनसर्टेनिटी से या प्रोस्पेक्टिव एडवांटेज से ज्यादा अच्छी है दैट यू हैव प्रेजेंट इन टुडे. तो ए बर्ड इन हैंड इज वर्थ टू इन द बुश. टू एंजॉय द लायंस शेयर, टू एंजॉय द मेजर पार्ट, बिकॉज लायंस शेयर इज टेकन एज द मेजर पार्ट. स्वेट ऑफ वंस ब्रो, हार्ड लेबर, राइट. टू पुट वन शोल्डर टू द व्हील, टू हेल्प वन सेल्फ. टू हैव ए jaundiced eye, टू बी प्रेजिस्ड, टू बी biased. ठीक है, when we say to have a jaundiced eye, it means that you are biased towards a particular thing. To go with the tide, to do as others do, because tide मतलब लहर. तो go with the tide when लहर के साथ जाना, इसका मतलब to do as others are doing. To read between the lines, to understand the hidden meaning of the writer. When we say to read between the lines, it means that to read carefully. ठीक है, इतना केयरफुली रीड करना कि आप जो राइटर है उसका हिडन मीनिंग भी समझ रहे हैं. To wake up a sleeping dog, to disturb some person or condition capable of causing trouble. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो डॉग है वो बेसिकली इट्स ए सिंबल ऑफ ट्रबल. To wake up a sleeping dog means to disturb some person capable of causing trouble. To see eye to eye means to agree. To carry coal to Newcastle, to do something that is unnecessary. क्योंकि जो नई कैसल है, नई सुरंग है, वहां कोयला ले जाना, उसका मतलब क्या है कि क्योंकि द कैसल हैज बीन मेड न्यू, देयर इज नो नीड टू टेक समथिंग देयर. तो कोई ऐसा काम करना जो अननेसेसरी है, टू डू समथिंग दैट इज अननेसेसरी, दैट इज टू कैरी कोल टू न्यू कैसल. टू फिश इन ट्रबल्ड वाटर्स, टू टेक मोस्ट ऑफ बैड बार्गेन, टेक मोस्ट ऑफ बैड बार्गेन. टू ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर, किनशिप इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन फ्रेंडशिप, राइट. तो जनरली हम कहते हैं ना कि आपकी जो भाईचारा है, जो रिश्तेदारी है, वो आपकी दोस्ती से ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ठीक है, जो आपका जो ब्लड रिलेशन है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर. टू पुट डाउन इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, टू राइट डाउन ऑन द पेपर. टू पुट इन द कॉर्नर, टू पनिश. व्हेन वी से टू पुट इन द कॉर्नर, किस चीज को कॉर्नर में डाल देना, मतलब उसको पनिश करना. To split hairs, to make pretty and fine distinctions. Win by a hair, to win by a narrow margin. Because hair का जैसे हेयर लाइन कह देते हैं, हेयर लाइन मतलब बहुत हल्का सा. तो when I say win by a hair, it means that to win by a narrow margin, बहुत थोड़े मार्जिन से जीतना. To turn a hair, to reveal discomfiture, to get in somebody's hair, someone's hair, to upset or annoy someone. To step into another shoes, to take another place. जब हम कहते हैं ना to step into another shoes, मतलब उसको उसकी जगह पे जाना. ठीक है, to take another place. Snake in the grass, an unrecognized danger. ऐसा danger जो unrecognized है. On the carts likely to happen. Put the horse before the cart, reverse the natural order. Put the horse before the cart, right? Reverse the natural order. To make castle in the air, daydreaming. दिन में बैठ के दिन दिहाड़ी सपने देखना बैठ के, ठीक है, जिसको हम कहते हैं हवाई किले बनाना, टू मेक कैसल्स इन द एयर, डे ड्रीमिंग, कैट एंड डॉग लाइफ ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट डिस्कॉर्ड, बिकॉज कैट एंड डॉग बोथ आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर, right, both are enemies to each other generally. So when we say cat and dog life, that is life of constant discord, life of constant height, or of constant fight, or constant right, to know chalk from the cheese, be able to discriminate, know chalk from the cheese, be able to discriminate means ऐसी position में होना where you make a difference between the two things. Take 2 bites at a cherry, make 2 attempts where one should suffice. Chip of the old bloke, exemplifying the family's characteristic like his father. मैंने ऐसे chip of the old bloke, अपने पूर्वजों के बारे में बोलना, उनको exemplify करना. Show a clean pair of heels, escape. Show a clean pair of heels, that is said to be to escape, किस चीज से बचना, अपने आप को escape करना. Clear the decks, prepare for action. Coke and bull story, that is a ridiculous story. ऐसी स्टोरी जिसका कोई जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, right? That is coke and bull story. To give the cold shoulder, snub and behave indifferently towards a person. किस चीज के, किसी आदमी के towards indifferently behave करना, that is to give the cold shoulder. Drive into a corner, cut off all means of escape. Crocodile tears, हाइपोक्रिटिकल टीयर्स, घड़ियाली आंसू जिसे हम कहते हैं, मतलब अंदर से आप दुखी नहीं हो बट लोगों को दिखाने के लिए यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द क्रोकोडाइल्स टीयर्स. द स्वॉर्ड ऑफ डेमोक्ल्स, impending evil or to be under severe mental pressure, right? When I say the sword of Damocles means you are under severe mental pressure, to have had one's day, to be past one's prime. Dead man's show, await someone's death with an expectancy of benefiting from it. That is dead man's show. Make a dead set at, attack with determination. Make a dead set at, attack with determination. पूरे जोश के साथ में, पूरे determination के साथ में अटैक करना. Show the white feather, behave like a coward, because white is generally used for coward. To behave like a coward, एक कायर की तरह behave करना. Next we have gone to the dogs, means that done for or ruined. ठीक है, खराब हो जाना, बिल्कुल ruin हो जाना. Down in the mouth, low spirited. So dragon's teeth make a bad situation worse. So dragon's teeth make a bad situation worse. किसी चीज काम को और बिगाड़ देना. That is said to be so dragon's teeth. Allow the dust to settle. Wait until the disturbance is well and truly over. तो जनरल मीनिंग है डस्ट को सेटल करना, मतलब वेट करना जब तक कि सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में ना आ जाए, जब तक कि जो डिस्टर्बेंस है वो कंट्रोल में ना आ जाए. As sure as X is X, as sure as anything can be, means 100%, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना 100% confident. As sure as X is X. Make both ends meet. Live within one's budgeted income, whatever your income is there, to live in that is make both ends meet. Fall to the ground, argument that is unfounded. ऐसा कोई आर्गुमेंट देना जो एक्सेप्टेबल ना हो. Fall to the ground. Play fast and loose. Be inconsistent and unreliable in fulfilling the obligations. Right? Some students play fast and loose. It means that they are not under constant study. Right? Or sometimes they study, sometimes they don't study. That is said to be play fast and loose. The fat is in the fire, the mischief is out. Put a good face on the matter. Make the best of a bad joke. Good face on the matter. For good and all. That is permanently. When we say for good and all, we may call it as permanently. Cut the Gordian knot. Solve a difficulty in summary fashion. Cut the Gordian knot. मतलब Gordian knot is taken as a difficulty. When we say that cut the Gordian knot, it means to solve the difficulty. Goes without saying. Be self-evident. Sour grapes, disparaging what is beyond one's reach. Right? जिसको हम कहते हैं ना, the grapes are sour, means अंगूर खट्टे हैं. ऐसी चीज जो हमें अचीव ना हो पाए तो उसे हम क्या कह देते हैं? That is beyond one's reach. All is greased that comes in his mill. He turns everything to his profit. All is greased that comes into the mill. right? Means a person who has the capacity to turn everything into the profit without turning a hair, without any sign of discomfort, with a high hand arrogantly, to be in hand and glove, that is inseparable, or we may call it as intimate terms. When we say that to be in hand and glove, we may call it as intimate term, very close terms. Wash hands of the matter, have nothing to do with. Out of the harness, that is retired at leisure, make a hash of, make a mess of, do it badly. When we say make a hash of, to mess the things, right? After my own heart, according to my views and taste. With hurts in boots, with hurts in boots, terrified, apprehensive, wear hurt on one sleeve. Make public your private feeling. That is, wear hurt on one sleeve, that is, make public your private feelings. By hook or by crook, means by any means. Bring a hornet nest about one's ear. Run, that is the run into trouble by doing meddlesome. Means किसी चीज की मध्यस्थता करके उस चीज को पूरा खराब कर देना. तो bring a hornet's nest about one's ear. ठीक है, मतलब एक मधुमक्खी के छत्ते को किसी के कान के पास लाना, मतलब एक ऐसी सिचुएशन को जो कंट्रोलेबल थी उसे खराब कर देना बीच में पड़कर. Reckon without one's host, to look at a matter from one's own point of view. Right? To eat a humble pie, to show one full of humility. पूरी उदारता से या पूरी इज्जत से शो करना. To break the ice, to take the first step in breaking down cold reserve or prepare the way. When we say to break the ice, it means that पहला स्टेप ले लिया आपने किसी भी काम को करने के लिए. After that things can be done. Long innings, long spell of success. Ins and outs, the minute particulars. When we say I know ins and outs of all this trade, it means that I know all the minute particulars of this trade. Dwell in a ivory tower, be a detached from everyday preoccupations of mankind. अपने जो occupation से detached हो जाना, त्याग देना. Lay their heads together, plan and enterprise jointly at the 11th hour, that is just in time. When we say he reached there at the 11th hour, it means that he was just in time, right? Jack of all trades, one who turns his hand to anything but excels in nothing. We can say that jack of all trades and but master in nothing. It means that who knows all the trades but not expert in anything. Keep body and soul together, stay alive. Because body and soul, when they are together, it means that you are alive. Pretty kettle of fish, bad business. Pretty kettle of fish, bad business. Lay by the heels, render harmless. Turn over a new leaf, make a fresh start. Turn over a new leaf means make a fresh start. There is no love lost between them. They dislike one another. Left in the lurch, to leave someone when the person is at trouble or to abandoned or at a grave disadvantage. Land of milk and honey, land abiding in good things. जब हम कहना कि land of milk and honey means बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हैं वहां पर. To make mountains out molehills, make trifling difficulties seem insuperable. Nail in one's coffin anything that tends to shorten life. ठीक है? Nail in one's coffin anything that tends to shorten life. Hit the nail on the head. Judge all right, say something exactly right. Pay through the nose. Pay an excessive or exorbitant price. Led by the nose, that is said to be mislead. It makes no odds. It makes no difference. Pour oil on troubled waters. Soothe strife or use intact and discretion. Means pure oil on troubled waters means किस चीज को ठीक करना या शांति की ट्राई करना. ओलाई ब्रांच, एम्बलम ऑफ पीस, राइट. तो ओलाई ब्रांच एक सिंबल है, शांति का प्रतीक है. तो व्हेन ओलाई ब्रांच इज देयर, इट मींस दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीस. पार्ट एंड पार्सल मींस एसेंशियल पोर्शन ऑफ समथिंग. पे एंड पाइपर, defray the cost or bear the loss in an undertaking, that is pay and piper. Cast pearls before a swine, offer good things to people incapable of appreciating them. So generally it takes as cast pearls before a swine. Pig in a poke, unexamined purchased. Sometimes you purchase something without examining it, that is pig in a poke. From pillar to post, hither and thither indiscriminately. When we say from pillar to post means everything. To be out of the pocket, to lose money or pay more than one share. That is to be out of the pocket. Born in the purple, child of royal parents, put down the shutters to go out of the business. Means किसी भी दुकान को बंद करना मतलब that is to go out of the business. Rain cats and dogs, rain very heavily. Rain cats and dogs means rain heavily. Rank and file, common soldiers, smell a rat, detect something suspicious. Red letter day, day of special consequence, that is said to be red letter day. With neither rhyme nor reason, without any sense or useless. Right, when we say with neither rhyme nor reason, without any sense. Rule the roost, that is to be in control. Rule the roost is to be in control. Robbing Peter to pay Paul means transferring a burden from one to another, benefiting on the expense of another. ठीक है, एक को फायदा करने के लिए दूसरे का नुकसान कर देना, जिसको हम कहते हैं robbing Peter to pay Paul by rule of thumb, that is by experience, practical through, right? Not worth salt, inefficient. Take with a grain of salt, that is, or a pinch of salt, with considerable reservation to accept grudgingly. Another pair of shoes, that is different matter. When we say another pair of shoes, that means the different matters, that is not with the same. Step into one's another man's shoes to take over one's position, that I told, straight from the shoulder with full force. Because shoulder से force सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. When we say he acted straight from his shoulder, means he acted with full force. Born with a silver spoon in the mouth, born in a wealthy family. Silver spoon in the mouth मतलब चांदी की चम्मच लेके पैदा होना, इसका मतलब बहुत अच्छे परिवार में पैदा होना. At 6s and 7s in a state of confusion. At 6s and 7s in a state of confusion, throw up the sponge, admit defeat. Throw up the sponge, admit defeat. Square pegs in the round holes, people in the wrong job. Square pegs in the round holes. Suppose that's a round hole, and if you put a square peg in it, we know that that cannot be put inside it. It means that people in the wrong job. Man of straw, without any substance. ऐसा आदमी जो किसी कोई बेस नहीं है. Man of substance, without substance. Turn the tables, reserve the situation between two persons. On the tip of tongue, almost remembering but not quite. Blow one's own trumpet, sing one's own praise. Few persons are there, every time they simply praise about themselves, so that is generally taken as blow one's own trumpet. Valley of the shadow of death, nearness to that. Place of fear for those poor in faith. Go to the wall, that is give away. Throw cold water on, that is discourage. Right, when we say throw cold water, किसी चीज पे ठंडा पानी डालना मतलब उसको that you have to discourage. Wheels within wheels, situation of extreme complexity. White elephant, something useless and expensive. The white elephant is something useless and expensive.